Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Conan Exiles Enhanced game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on loading screen, not loading, showing black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check the system requirements of the games. This is an important step, so don't miss it out. Just search for the game, after that go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users just click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on power, then select restart power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application. Right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check whether it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and after that move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you can add it, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that go to the game folder, add the game to the list. Now after adding the game to the list over here, you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next method is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if this resolves the issue. But if this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -D3D11 and now check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, select your game, under library section right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will surely help to fix the issue. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So for that Steam users, you have to go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable this. Now after disabling this, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and here switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the image here. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser or you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. After the website opens, you have to go below, click on the link and this will download Visual C++ files. After that open it. You will get repair or install option, click on it and wait for some time. Now after it is finished, you have to close this. Now restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, I can log into the game and check if you can play it without any problem. Next is to update system BIOS. For that, first check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that, follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. Finally restart your system and test the game and check if it's working. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that here you have to click on Windows Update option click on check for updates. So this will check and update your Windows. If there is any update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search for View Advanced System Settings, click on Settings, click on Advanced, click on Change. Select the drive where game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size type 12288 and in the maximum size type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So what you need to do is just go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. After that, click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage settings, and here you have to turn off real-time protection. After you have done this, again go to the Windows search. This time search for control panel. After that, click on Windows Defender Firewall. After that, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings. After that, click on OK and then launch the game and check. But later on, come back again and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next solution is to install DirectX on your system. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, click on the download option. This will download DirectX on our system. After that, you have to install it. After installing it, try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. Here you have to search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, you have to click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game to the list, you have to click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall Conan Exiles Enhanced game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. This will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and finally reinstall Conan Exiles Enhanced game and click on the play button to check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Conan Exiles Enhanced game crashing at startup, crash to desktop, stuck on loading screen, not loading, stuck on black screen error on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.